So in this demo, I will be ordering my two-tier application, and I will also enable intrusion detection on this system. So I'm giving my deployment a name. I'm choosing to deploy this into my production environment. I'm defining that I want 2 front-end web servers and I want 1 back-end server, and I'm enabling the flag IDS in this case.
So what we did in this example was that we used Aria Automation to kick off a cloud template deployment. And in this cloud template deployment, there are a bunch of virtual machines. And we can see that the Aria Automation has tagged the machines with security tags. So Aria is indicating that this is a platform Linux. It has intrusion detection turn on in detection mode. So these are plain security tags from the Aria Automation point of view. But in NSX, what we have done is that if we go to security and have a look under intrusion detection prevention, we can see that we have created security policies for those security tags. So if NSX receives virtual machines that are tagged with a certain set of tags, it will filter the traffic from, depending on how we created our security policies. But in this case, we have created a certain set of profiles for Windows and a certain set for Linux, and then we have created security tags accordingly. So this is how you can use Aria Automation to influence VMware NSX to include intrusion detection and or intrusion prevention to avoid lateral movement of potential hostile stuff in your environment.